Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Thank you very much. I have a live audience. Thank you very much. Welcome to this short presentation on enabling green economy, which is the theme for today's discussions and deliberations. I'm proud to be a co-host for this very important event. One, because we're very sustainable conscious. We do have a Center for Sustainability at SP Jain, and with our faculty members and our students, some of them who are here, we do a lot of initiatives towards that. For the simple reason that, we don't have a planet B. In business strategy, we have plan A, plan B, and if all of that fail, you go up to plan Z, a whole range of options. But as far as the planet is concerned, there's no planet B. And understanding that, I think all of us have to have a shift in our mindsets, the way we look at it. I'm going to start with asking you a question. Any interpretation on what is there on the screen? Anybody? Has that a guess? Of course, these are Chinese letters. Yeah, Snail, you can't answer this. Snail is my student. Yeah. I'll give you a chance. Yeah. Anybody? Okay, Snail, would you like to say what it is?
Sustainability is we are talking about.
Okay. Actually, this letters became very popular during COVID. Maybe they would become popular again with the new pandemic threat that's coming across. It has two interpretations. The combination of these two letters is crisis, which is danger plus opportunity. So how do you look at this? Do you look at the world around and say it's going to go to dogs and say it's a crisis? Or look at that as an opportunity and say, how do we make the best out of this particular crisis? And it's a very meaningful, very significant way of the way we need to interpret the world around us. So circular economy, based on principles designed on how to prevent waste and pollution, keeping materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. This is a telling graph. The way we use our products, the way we reuse our products, the way we recycle our products can make a dent on the way we look at the flow of products and services. We consume, recycle, reuse, well, it adds more value, or else that trash that we see is how we would mess up the world around us. Right from food to packaging to disposable to fashion to gadgets and gifts, everything has either a disposability or a non-biodegradability. And I'm going to share with you some interesting insights on how this can work from a business perspective. In other words, we say green is good business. One, we can slow down by keeping the product value as long as possible, or organizing the flow loops in such a meaningful way, and I'll share some very interesting insights from the business world. Here's a good example of a company which has been there for more than 100 years, almost 100 years, 1927. Kosyol is a German-based company, completely, and I would encourage you to have a look at their website. You would see they have transformed themselves into a 100% recyclable circular economy company. They have many products, and this is just one of their examples. So 4 different ways for which we could look at circular business models. The way we manage flow of our products, materials, packagings,